A TikTok star who posed as a road traffic lawyer is behind bars after killing an OAP in a horror crash.
My name is Lee Sutherland and I'm based in Glasgow. I almost have 8 years of experience on the criminal side of the law, and I'm also a criminal defence solicitor as well. I also have experience by road traffic law and criminal law.
Callous Lee Sutherland was speeding in an ageing Ford Mondeo with dodgy brakes at the time of the crash at the Condorit Ring Road near Cumbernauld, Lanarkshire. On June 15th, 2023, the 31-year-old ploughed into a Peugeot 108 driven by Margaret Allen. The 77-year-old mother later tragically passed away from her injuries. The 10-year-old boy who was also in the car needed hospital treatment. Remorseless Sutherland tried to blame the OAP, stating at the scene, "It would not have happened if the f***ing had not pulled out." Sutherland was well known on TikTok for posting a series of bizarre videos claiming to be a defence lawyer, dressing up as a police officer, and others, including him, reviewing supermarket food. But he is now behind bars after he was found guilty of causing death by dangerous driving following a trial at the High Court in Glasgow. Sutherland will be sentenced at a later date. PC Lawrence Meldrum told jurors how he had been in the area that afternoon when he became aware of a collision in his rear view mirror. He drove back and initially found the Peugeot extremely damaged. The officer said the elderly female driver had blood on her head. She was confused and dazed. The child was in the passenger seat. Sutherland was spotted walking away from the crash. He claimed he needed time to clear his head, but PC Meldrum caught up with him. It was soon after he made the comment about Margaret apparently being at fault. He also repeatedly called the officer a idiot. Margaret never recovered and passed away weeks later. During a probe into the crash, it was discovered the anti-lock braking system in the 12-year-old Mondeo was not working properly. Sutherland had been going at a minimum of 44 miles per hour in the 40 mile per hour zone around the time of the collision, but was likely to have been quicker at the point he started braking. Other motorists in the area that day had also commented at how fast he had been going. In his speech to jurors, prosecutor Adrian Stalker said Sutherland's driving had been dangerous and was not just a lack of judgment or momentary inattention. He added Sutherland was going far too fast in what was described as a defective car. Sutherland of Cumbernauld, but who had latterly been living in Newcastle, had been on bail during the trial. But he was remanded in custody by Judge Tom Hughes as sentencing was adjourned for reports. He had been banned from driving for 6 months, just 1 week before the collision, and tried to leave the scene without giving his details to police officers. Sergeant Andy Coots, North Lanarkshire Roads Policing, said, "Our thoughts remain with Margaret's family, who have been dignified and strong throughout this tragic ordeal." Sutherland's actions showed a blatant disregard for other road users and the law, and since the incident he has showed no remorse. We hope the court's decision brings some peace to the family.